All right, now we want to get into this development of initial map of content, motivation, activities. So we're going to spend a little bit of time here. Based on distributor segments, again, we're talking like 2 or 3 segments. Maybe this is maybe this segment is consumer. Maybe this is somebody that's just wanting to earn a little. Maybe it's somebody that's wanting to earn a lot. So again, maybe just those 3 segments, and whether we're asking that information maybe during our enrollment process, is there a flag that we can attach to that profile from a simple question that we ask inside of our enrollment process? Is that feasible? Is there surveys that we can send out to a new consultant just to kind of get that information back and start to maybe assign some segmentation to that user base? And of course, as we go through this, so again, those 2 or 3 segments, and we want to support those with specific learning or communications. And this is where we start getting a lot into context. Number 2 bullet here, we talk about lining up in the industry best practices when it comes to learning and business activities. So if we're saying, hey, look, during the initial onboarding phase, we want to maybe give them some learning on company history. We want to have, and these are just standard, let's say, we're going to do like 2 learnings on company history. We want to do maybe 3 learnings on our top selling products. And then maybe we're going to do a little bit on compensation and how do we get paid. But if we know the segment of that group, going into that content, we can set up the context of that content to be more personalized for that individual. So say, for example, someone says, hey, I just want to be consumer of this. Well, when they come in and they have this communication that says, hey, we're so excited to have you on board. We know you want to be a consumer. Please learn about our organization and how much we strive to ensure that our products are excellent. And of course, then it adds context to why am I learning about the company? Why am I learning about the products? And then, hey, look, we are learning about the compensation program because, again, it is an opportunity. But as we go through this and someone says, hey, I want to earn a little bit. And in that particular case, what's nice is that we can set the context, again, for them to consume those processes or that content. So now, in this case, it's, hey, look, we're here to back you up. We're here to support you through your journey to generate enough money to pay a car payment. So here, learn about our organization and why we are here to help you. And then, again, learn about the products. But again, the context is different now, and it becomes personal for that person because of the context to that content. So again, understanding what those best practices are, and we'll get into some of those here in just a little bit. And then number 3, we really have to share insights and activities with team leaders. Okay, we definitely, as we all know, we need their support throughout this process. But what's interesting is that can we bring them into the fold when we start talking about segmentation? Can we start then giving them reports of who on their team is just here as a consumer of product, or who here on their team is looking to earn X amount, so that they know maybe a little bit better on how to talk to them. Again, giving them context to those that are joining their teams. And then, of course, to kind of fight against long-term wins, is there a way for us to establish some sort of rewards and recognition ecosystem that really helps drive those activities that we are looking for?